Step 1. Install and set up DramaBox app. Download the DramaBox app from the official Play Store or App Store, or their official website if you are using an Android APK. Open the app and create an account using your email, phone number, or social media. Once logged in, explore the app interface to become familiar with it, especially the profile, coins, and rewards sections. Step 2. Use active gift codes. DramaBox occasionally releases free gift codes through events, milestones, like 1M downloads, or partnerships. These codes provide free coins, subscriptions, or access to locked content. Here's how to redeem them. Go to the Profile tab in the app. Look for an option like Redeem Code, Gift Code, or Promotions. Tap on it. A text field will appear. Enter a working code like DramaBox 500M, Premium 50 drama, Stream no 50, Free movie 100. Tap Submit or Claim. A confirmation message will appear if the code is valid, and your rewards will be added to your account. Tip: make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Older versions may not support gift code redemption. Step 3. Follow official channels for more codes. To regularly get new and working codes, follow these sources. Official website. Visit https://thedrmabox.pro often for announcements. Social media accounts. Follow DramaBox on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter. Look out for posts with hashtags like DramaBox code, FreeCons, or giveaway. YouTube influencers. Search YouTube for content creators who share DramaBox code updates. They often post working codes in their video descriptions. Community forums. Reddit. Join DramaBox communities on Reddit or Discord where users share verified, tested codes. Step 4. Earn coins without codes. Bonus method. If you are unable to find gift codes, you can still earn free coins by using in-app features. Daily login rewards. Open the app daily to claim login bonuses. These often increase the longer your streak goes. Watch ads. Navigate to the Get Coins section and choose to watch rewarded ads. Each ad gives a small number of coins. Invite friends. Referral program. Use your invite referral code to get bonus coins when friends sign up. Some events offer extra rewards if multiple friends join. Complete tasks events. Participate in in-app challenges or quizzes. Sometimes they offer large coin rewards or temporary premium access. Step 5. Avoid scams and fake generators. Stay away from sites or apps that promise unlimited gift code generators, coin hacks, modded APKs with unlimited access. These are almost always scams or malware. They may steal your account, infect your phone with viruses, get you banned from the app. Always use official channels or trusted forums.